In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your Google Slides. So the first thing you have to do is actually download an add-on from Google Chrome. So you're going to go to the Chrome store. The name of the app is called Screencastify. So really you can just do a search of Screencastify. And when it comes up, it's actually going to come up in the Chrome store. So if you click on this link, it takes you to the Chrome store. And then over to the right hand side, you click on this green button that says Add to Chrome. Now I've already added Screencastify to my screen, and the reason why I know that is because this little film script in the upper right hand corner on my toolbar is the icon, is the Screencastify icon. So I did this a few days ago. So after you say add it to Chrome, you should see this film script in your upper right hand corner, and then once you've done that, then you're actually ready to start adding the sound to your slides. So I'm going to close out of this, and then I'm going to go over to my Google account, and I'm going to go to the Google Drive, and I'm going to look for a slide that I've already created. And really you can use this add-on with any application in Google. So you could use it with a Google Doc or a Google Sheet. Okay, so once I get this up, I'm going to look for a slide. Okay, so this is a slide. So I'm going to open the slide, and when I finish my slides, then I'll be ready to add the sound to them. So that's when you're going to click on the film script, and you can leave everything as defaulted, so you don't need to make any changes to this. And then you're going to click at the bottom on the button or the bar that says Record Desktop. And then the next question or the next screen is going to ask you if you want to share your screen. And so you're going to say yes, you want to share the screen.
3, 2, 1.
And now it's doing the countdown to start recording you talking about the slides. Now if you want your slides to be in present mode, you're going to click on present, but then you're going to have to come down and look for this little icon so you can exit full screen so that you can see the film script, because when you finish your recording, you're going to need to click on this button to stop the recording. So I have this slide up. I'm going to talk about 50 ways to use Google Drawings in my classroom, and then I'll click on the next to get to the next slide, and then I can talk about this slide, and so on and so forth. When I'm finished talking about the slides, then I'm going to go back and click on the film script again, and I'm going to say in recording. Now now it's doing the countdown to start. Now when I end my recording, and then I go back and look at my Google Drive, I'm going to have a new folder that's been created for me called Screencastify. Here it is right here. And in that folder I will see the item that I just recorded. Okay, so even though when you first create the slide it's going to be in a different folder, when you're ready to show your slides to the class with your audio, you've got to come to the Screencastify folder and use that version. Okay, and that's how you use Screencastify.